In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Airtable. When you're working in Airtable, keeping your records in the right order can make a huge difference in how easy it is to read and manage your data. Maybe you want to prioritize certain tasks, group related items together, or just clean up a messy table. Instead of deleting and re-adding records, Airtable lets you quickly reorder rows with a simple drag and drop. Let's walk through exactly how to do that. First, open the base and table where you want to rearrange your records. Make sure you're in a grid-style view, like a grid or similar view, because that's where you'll see your records laid out in rows. Take a moment to locate the record you want to move. It might help to widen a key column so you can clearly see which row you're about to grab. Now, move your mouse to the far left side of that record. Don't click yet. Just hover your mouse over the very left edge of the row. As you hover there, Airtable will reveal a small drag handle. This usually looks like a group of dots or a subtle grip icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure your cursor is really at the far left side of the row, not over a field or column header. Once you see that drag handle, you're ready to move the row. Click and hold directly on the handle, not on the cell content. As you hold down the mouse button, start dragging the row up or down. You'll notice the entire row moves with your cursor, and a visual indicator will show you where the record will be placed. Drag the record to the new position where you want it to live. This could be higher up in the list if you're prioritizing it, or further down if it's less important. When you see the row lined up in the right spot, simply release the mouse button. Airtable will drop the record into that new position, and the rest of the rows will shift around it. If you don't like where you placed it, you can repeat the same process and drag it again. There's no limit to how many times you can reorder your rows, so feel free to adjust them until your table feels organized and intuitive. And that's all there is to it. By hovering over the far left side to reveal the drag handle, then clicking, dragging, and dropping, you can quickly move rows in Airtable and keep your workspace clean and easy to navigate.